What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a different video. It's going to be a dedicated 3Commas video. I think it's essential because the market's starting to creep up now, which is really, really good. In also other news as well, the SEC is no longer going after a number of altcoins, including Solana, which is incredibly bullish. And I honestly believe this has got a lot to do with, Donald Trump potentially winning the next US election. And he's basically said he's going to fire Gary Gensler, which is just bullish as anything, right? But we're in a transition period right now. Big things are coming into this space. I cannot wait. And I'm very excited. All right? I'm very excited because this is going to be a major opportunity to create generational wealth, right? And if you don't know what you're going to do with the money, you might want to follow the Wall Street Bull University, which is linked below in the video description. But anyway, this is going to be a 3Commas video. What I'm going to do is something different. I'm going to actually set up a banking coins trading bot. And yes, that includes Solana and of course XRP, but I'm going to do that now with you. Let's get into it because again, coming into this next bull market, which, we're almost there. The global liquidity index is creeping up, but once we get there, things are going to go parabolic. But anyway, let's get into the video. Stick around. I'm going to walk you through on how to set up the trading bots on Gate.io, which is incredibly bullish because we can still trade with leverage here in Australia using Gate.io. But I want to get through this with you all, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Leave a thumbs up for me as well. You guys absolutely rock. Stick around. All right, ladies and gents, fellow Wall Street Bulls, let's get into this. You will need a 3Commas subscription and an exchange, okay? Now, again, I've got referral links below. If you use those, you will get a discount on your membership. Now, again, I've been using 3Commas for 3 years. It's freaking awesome. Links are below. Again, coming over here just quickly, this is the homepage. This is your dashboard right now. The main page right here, and on here, of course, you've got all your bots, your DCA bots, which is what I'm using, grid bots, signal bots, smart trades. You've got your account balance as well. My exchanges, of course, I'm using OKX and Gate.io. I have used Bybit as well, but much preferred Gate.io because I don't like the unified trading account on Bybit. Now, coming over here, of course, we've got the subscriptions on the right-hand side. Now, again, I use the monthly Pro plan subscription, 76 AUD a month. And again, I've been using this, again, for a long time. I have had a lot of people buy out the annual subscription. You'll get a discount on that, by the way, as well. You'll save quite a bit. But you only need the Pro plan. Expert is seriously, if you're going like crazy money, the Pro plan is well and truly enough. You can run 50 active smart trades, 10 running signal bots, 10 running grid bots, 50 running DCA bots. That is a lot of bots. You don't even need that, to be honest with you. Given the fact that you can run multi-bots, it's up to you. And we're going to set up a multi-bot today, actually. So anyway, you can choose whatever you like. It's up to you. The referral link below is for all of my subscribers, so please feel free to use that. And of course, Gate.io, the links are also below for Gate.io because you will need an exchange. All right, let's get into this again. Left-hand side is my portfolio. You've got your dashboard. Now, moving down here, you've got your control panel. I don't really play around with that as well. Again, you can explore this as much as you want. The signal bot. Again, pretty straightforward. You will need a TradingView Pro subscription on that as well in order to use the signal bot. You can use a custom signal or a TradingView strategy. Both are incredible. You can use artificial intelligence, especially if you have ChatGPT. You can literally make a strategy or a custom signal. It's crazy. And you use PineScript for that. And I have got a video on my channel for that. What we're going to be primarily focusing on is the DCA bot, right? On the left-hand side. Moving my mouse, you can see it here. Whoop, look over here, guys. All right, so you can see that the bots have actually made me, no BS, right, 91,000 USDT over this entire period that I've used. That's a lot of money in USDT. Most profitable bot is actually my short bot, which made me 27,000 USDT. I'm not kidding. Again, most of that money's gone because I've got, a lot of things going on in my life at the moment, and, the bills to pay. And again, the inflation data just came out for Australia, and we're actually going higher, which means those interest rates are going to be creeping up, which is nuts. Best pairs down here, Solana USDT, Doge, and Ethereum Classic. These are great bots. I mean, pairs anyway. Closed deals. This has closed 40,887 deals in my profile. That is a lot, all right? This is no BS. What I'm going to do is set up a banking coin bot, because I think that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to come over and create a new bot, get rid of this pop-up. Let's do this right now. And again, I'm going to use this gate.io. You come down here, you select your exchange. Of course, it's going to be futures on gate.io. Let's label this right now. We're going to select multi-pair first and foremost. So we're going to label this the banking coin bot, right? This is what I like to do anyway. So you go banking coins, cash, or something silly like that. And I usually put the date because, again, I'm always changing up these bots. And by the way, I'll link this in the Wall Street Bull University as well. Now, coming down here, let's pick some banking coins, ladies and gents. We're going to go XRP USDT. We're going to go Solana. That is a given. Actual fact, we'll leave that one out because that's quite expensive at the moment. Let's have a look here. We'll leave, we'll go HBAR. We'll go XLM. Let's go Link. That is a banking coin. Even Cardano is one. Let's click that right here. We're going to go to, I should say, IOTA. Right, we're going to come here. We're going to go Algorand. Gate.io is great as well. They've got a lot of coins. Some exchanges don't have these coins, which is crazy. No one's actually got XDC, which is wild. I don't even know why. What else have we got here? So we've got Algo, Hedera, IOTA, XLM. We do have Quant. We do have Ethereum, but Ethereum, just letting everyone know, like Ethereum and Solana have a minimum base order, which I'll get to in a second. It's an absolute nightmare. In actual fact, you know what? I will show you that so you can see for yourself and say ETH. We're going to go to this one as well. Make sure you select the right Ethereum. So these are basically all the banking coins. In actual fact, we can even do Casper. Yep. What else have we got, ladies and gents? I'm just trying to think of all my banking coins. Just having a quick look on my list, I should say. Let me just open up CoinMarketCap on my phone just to make sure we've got them all. What else have we got here? Oh, yeah, WorldCoin. Forgot about that one. WLD. That's a banking coin. LCX. I wonder if we can trade that one on here. Nope, doesn't have it. DAG. No, it doesn't have it. Cello. Yeah, we've got that one. Let's keep scrolling down. Electronium is part of the Digital Pound Foundation, but we can't trade that on here. See what I mean? It's really annoying. SHX. It's not there. Mobi. No, it's not there. Corium. Let's have a look. Core. Is that the ticker symbol for that? Let me just have a look. No, it's not. We can even do Solo. Let's have a look at Sologenic. No, not even on there as well. Anyway, I think that's enough. So we've got all of them, right? Now, you got to calculate how many deals are here. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 deals. So we're going to put 13. Base order size right now, it does have a minimum. Let's just try 30 as an example, but I doubt it'll work. Now, again, leverage type. We'll get to that in a second. Long or short, you can trade this bot. So this is a multi-bot. You can trade long or short. It's up to you. I want profits in USDT. You can set it either market order or limit order. I'm going to go market because I just want to smash it. I just want this thing to trade non-stop. Now, I want isolated leverage. Don't go cross leverage because if you're trading multiple bots and you get a liquidation, it's going to pull all that money from all your other trading bots. Let's go to something crazy right now. And again, don't do this if you're not confident with leverage trading. Let's go 10x. That's heaps for me at the moment. I'm going to use an RSI indicator, so relative strength index on a 3-minute time frame. Basically, if the line goes below the 30 level on an RSI, as you can see here, the signal value, it's going to trigger a long position on a 3-minute time frame. So it's constantly going to be buying and selling, which is really good. Now, again, moving down to the take profits, I'm going to leave that from percentage of total volume. Target profit, I'm going to put at 1.5%. Now, you can use the reinvest profits. That's up to you. I like to take my cash, right? That's as simple as that. You can leave this at like 1 or 2%, whatever you like. Stop loss, I leave off. Base order, I usually like to double at 60. But this is where we're going to get some interesting stuff right here. And also keep an eye on this up here on the right-hand side, the max safety order price deviation, all right? This is basically means what, if the market corrects itself. Coming down here, I'm going to put 30 safety orders. I do this all the time. I've been doing this for ages. We've got price deviation. I want a 2% price deviation. 30 safety orders right here. Count max active safety orders. I only want one in the book at each time. I don't want 30 safety orders because that's going to chew up so much capital. And I'm going to change the safety order volume step scale to 0.05. And the safety order step scale I'm going to set to 1. Right, so if you come over here on the right-hand side, this bot will basically need 5,000 USDT, and the price deviation is going to be 60%. So the market would need to correct itself 60%, meaning a drop in the market, which basically has never happened, right? Seriously, it's never dropped 60%, maybe 30 max, but not 60, okay? Now, again, I don't play around with the advanced conditions. You can put this, though. I like to maybe do 120 seconds, which, gives the bot enough time to take up the signal on the trading view charts when it's analyzing it. It basically verifies that. So it cools down, not just entering it straight away the next candle on the charts. And you don't play with simultaneous deals per pair because you just don't want to do that. I've done that before and I made a big mistake doing that. And that is pretty much it. Now, when I go to push start, watch this. Solana's base. Okay, so this is the warning that some people get, all right? So the minimum for Solana is actually quite high. So the minimum now, this used to be a lot cheaper, but it's 183 USDT. That's a lot of money, okay? Because it's quite expensive at the moment at like 280 Australian dollars or 183 USDT, right? Just having my little vapey there. But now let's take out Solana. Now we're going to drop this down to max safety deals. We're going to go 12, right? Now this should work. Let's just have a look. ETH, let's go. ETH is too small. Let's have a look. Sorry, let me just get this back up right now. Let me have a look. Base order is too small. Minimum is 32. Okay, for Ethereum, which is actually not too bad. Let's put this at 33. Now this should work. Nope, 33. Now it's gone up. Okay, let me just go this again. You're going to keep getting these warnings. This is what happens. Let's just go here. Wait for it to start. Waiting. Okay, that's done. So that will pretty much open the bot now. And then you come to this, which is basically your overview over the bot that we just set up here with the Banking Coins bot. There you go. So the bot is turned on the right-hand side. Again, they're all the parameters that I've set here. And again, you can play around with these and add, more indicators, deal start conditions, whatever you like. These are the best settings that I've used. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. And of course, coming over to the exchange, when you go positions, I'm going to leave that bot running as well. But again, I've got all my capital tied up in these deals here. I'm trading BSV, Bonk, Jupe, Chainlink, Polkadot, Matic, Casper, TRX, Ohm, Rune, Ethereum as well. And Bitcoin. And guys, it's making profit for me, so it's awesome. Also on Gate.io, you want to keep an eye on the leverage. Again, when this starts to get quite high, and again in the red, you might want to think about closing that position before you get liquidated. But I mean, it's isolated, right? So each one of these is isolated from each other. If you were using cross, this entire portfolio would cop that liquidation. But you can see a couple of them are down at the moment. This one's in profit, $1.22. Now, again, it takes small profits, but when it's trading like 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it adds up. Coming into the order history, you can see down here, guys, look at this. It just doesn't stop trading. I mean, this is all on the 30th as well. Doesn't stop. This goes on and on and on and on. It's wild. Anyway, that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any questions, but that is 3Commas in a nutshell, all right? Happy trading. Don't go too crazy with the leverage. Peace out.